Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about ACT's universal search box. The way I'd like to think of it is, or I'd like you to think of it, is think of it almost like Google for ACT, a Google search for ACT. That's a great way to think of it. So I've showed you in other tutorials how you can do a lookup. So if you know what you're looking for example, a first name or a last name or a company, you can do a lookup. But sometimes you just don't know what it is you want to look up. So we have a search box over here on the left-hand side that basically searches whatever field is right above it. If you don't want to search the contact field, you can click on the drop down and choose another field. But this is not even what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is way over here in the top right-hand corner. Now, because of my layout and because I have a large monitor with a large layout, it's way over there on the right-hand side of the screen. I wish the good folks at SwiftPage would put this in another spot because, frankly, I've been aware of this feature for years, but it's something that I never use it. It's almost like out there and I don't see it and I forget about it. But on that note, this is where you can do a search for things when you're not sure exactly where they are. Now, if you'd watched some of the previous tutorials I've done, I have used the word test, T-E-S-T, to put in like a test activity or a test note or a test history. But let's say that I was looking for that word test in my ACT database and I didn't know where it was. Well, what I'm going to do is up here in the universal searches, I'm going to type in the word test and I'm going to select go. What you're going to see is a big box comes up with all kinds of options here. And over on the far right hand side, I can narrow down my options if I so desire to contacts or just notes or activities, wherever I want to find it. And I can also limit the time of that's happened. But if you notice right here where it says note, test note 1 to John Smith, if I click on that, what it will do is it will take me right inside the note. So the universal search is sort of Google for ACT. And what I'd like you to be aware of is when you're here, you can do a lot of things to find information. And it's a great way to easily get around ACT. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. That's just a quick tutorial on using the universal search. You might find it comes in handy. Thank you very much. Have a great day.